Today we're going to do a dinner table setup. Now let's start to put the charger, and next is the fork, next is the knife, which is should be facing the fork, next is the salad fork, and then to be followed by the bread plate and the soup spoon. After that is the dessert spoon. Over the charger is the dinner plate, yes, just put over the charger, and then it is the next is the saucer, followed by a glass, and after that is a soup bowl, your butter knife, and one last thing, don't forget, is the table napkin, and it's done.